All right, everybody. So I'm sure this is pretty self-explanatory, but what we're going to do is a cabin filter on a 2017 Porsche Cayenne. So first thing we're going to do is take out this T20 right here in the lower portion of the dash trim, then pop this whole thing down, unplug the footwell lighting, and then if you have them, unplug your 12-volt power outlet. Once that's down, then you can see that there's a dash vent right here that has one little trim clip that kind of holds it in place. You can drop that whole thing down, and then you have your lid for your filter. And right here against this portion of the dash, it has a little tab that holds it in place. That's a little awkward to get to, and sometimes you can use your same T20 as a bit of a pry bar to open up the tab. If that doesn't work, you can come back and get like a little flat trim tool and reach up in here and undo it. Like that. So then that comes down, you can see it's got the foam ring around it. We'll pull this down and out. Note the way the airflow goes through that way towards the metal. There's your part number to verify you're getting the right one. Now in this case, we're installing this brand filter, the Mali, because I couldn't get the Hinkst filter that I was looking for. We will make sure that we're flowing the right direction. Yes, airflow towards the middle. Put that in there. Take your lower cover, make sure it catches on this inner portion, and you'll hear a click. It goes back in. Click your duct back into place on both ends. Once that's in, then you can also put this back in. One of the things you might want to do while you're here is to take an air nozzle, an air gun, and put into this, and just make sure that your evaporator drain is clear. Now, since this is a new to me Cayenne, I'm going to go ahead and do that and put my air gun Well, I may have to get some silicone lubricant and spray on the tip of the air nozzle so I can get it to slide in there. Okay, so I'm back. I have my silicone spray. we'll just hit a little right in there just to give this a little bit of ease of movement. You can get that in. There we go. One thing I didn't notice before was this one that does have a clamp that holds it onto the evaporator. So we'll take this, squeeze the clamp and shove this whole thing forward, and then put our air nozzle in. And make sure it's clear. Because one thing you don't want to do is end up with a bunch of water in your floor because you have a clogged up evaporator drain. So now that's done. Now remove the air nozzle and go ahead and put these trims back in with the connectors. And once that's complete, put the 1T20 back in and we're done. So that's it. That is replacing a pollen filter and cleaning out the evaporator drain on a 958 chassis Porsche Cayenne. Anyway, thanks for watching this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time, and we'll do some more maintenance items on Porsches and other various vehicles. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.